All right, welcome to Boerne, Texas, and a Toll Brothers home. So excited to show you this one.
Yes, I mean, you love Toll Brothers anyways, and to put it in a 55 and better community, you just can't beat that.
No.
Now we are walking into the Auroria farmhouse model.
We'll put all those details, pricing, and all the square footage and all that good stuff. But this is a 2-bedroom, has a study.
And we're gonna start in the secondary bedroom, which is in the front of the house. And it's a decent size, it's not huge. It's got a closet.
But this is a queen size bed.
Yeah.
It's got everything that you possibly want, and then some.
And I just tripped over something.
It's so big that Patrice tripped over the bed.
And then it's got the guest bath right here, right off.
Is that a full bath?
Yes.
It is a full bath.
And we're going down the hall. They've
I
got
love
this stone along here. I mean, it
Yeah.
is crazy. And then here is the office. Look at this, all these built-ins are beautiful.
Yeah, they did a good job decorating this.
Yeah, let me show these all up. The only thing I would do differently in here is add more lighting. It's so dark. I mean,
That's an easy fix, though.
it's an easy fix. I would put some
But you know
puck
what? They
lights
put
in
all
there.
the puck light budget in this
Oh
family
my
area.
goodness, yeah, look at all those. You can see them all along there.
There you go. I love, though, speaking of that, I love the beams all the way running,
Yeah.
all the way across.
There they are, they're so pretty. So do I go right or left?
Let's check out this
Let's check
kitchen
out the
area. You got a
kitchen.
4-butt island, which is always nice. Got a nice killer upgraded stovetop and everything that you could possibly want, actually.
Yes, look at those. The cabinets go all the way to the top. They've got the lighting in them.
But yet it doesn't quite go all the way to the top. But it
oh,
does.
it doesn't. Yes, you're right.
It does give you that
That feel
those-
of going
yeah.
to the top.
exactly.
And then you've got a decent sized snack closet right here. You better have your snacks organized or you're gonna see it.
In that particular one, you're right.
We have moments where ours is not, so.
Look how huge this dining area is.
Oh, let's go over here.
It's so big. I
It is
mean,
big, it's huge. And then
it's 10 people are sitting right here, comfortably.
with the beams also.
With the beams, and you've got the bar.
Yeah, that's nice.
Really, really nice layout.
Well, it's a bar or it's just a buffet area. I mean, it's multifaceted.
Yeah,
up there.
however you want to design it, that's up to you.
And then over there we have.
Oh my heart, you've got to look at this utility room. Toll Brothers always does their utility
You know
rooms
what?
really
They
well.
really do. They give you lots of space. It's somebody that knows how to do laundry that's designed these.
Yeah, the
utility
architect
rooms.
loves to do laundry.
And they've decided, you know what? I'm gonna make it enjoyable.
Yeah, well,
As
you might as
enjoyable
well.
as you can, anyways.
You might as well.
And then look at this big open family room area. That's a huge chandelier they put in there.
And it's a huge couch.
It's a huge couch. And then they've got this big wall for a TV.
Yep.
I like the wood they put on there. It looks pretty. It
Yeah,
makes it.
they put the wood flooring on the wall, give it
And then
that
they
paneling
put tile
look.
on the floor. They
And
did it
tile on the
backwards.
floor. They've got a nice slider.
Yes.
It's already open for us, so much appreciated. Patio is decently sized, but again, what I love about hill country is if you've got the hill view, is that just that you can have your outdoor kitchen, you can have all your good stuff on your patio, and then down below is more the entertaining spot where you've got, in this particular case, a fire ring.
Let me go down and show them that. So you've got this fire ring area. In fact, I'm just gonna go all the way down here. So, and I'm gonna show these stairs that I just went down. So there's the upstairs part, and then you've got this nice sitting area over here, and then you do have a little bit of grass space behind that. So if you have a pup that needs to use that grass space, you can. And then you've got this whole area.
There's so many walking trails
Yes.
inside Esperanza that
Well, and obviously,
your dog would be spoiled
Yes.
by going on walks. But you can definitely have this grassed out and a dog run, whatever you want.
Well, they also have a dog park here, so
Well, yeah.
that's another good option. But as
Walk to the dog park.
absolutely, but they're still building here. So, like as I was showing, see all back there, they're building all back there. So this will be really pretty at some point. Right now, it's questionable, but
Right now it's
going to be beautiful.
Right now it's a construction site.
Exactly.
But let's go check out that primary.
Yes.
Now I love what they did with the ceiling here.
Yeah, look at that nice warm color. It is really, really nice.
You've got that wallpaper on the back wall.
And then you've got lots of space over here for a dresser, or if you're a TV watcher, or whatever. And then we'll make our way into the bathroom. So they've got this nice hutch area there. Good size shower.
Really good size shower.
Not a very good sized countertop though. for
No,
the
you don't
sink.
have a lot of space to put all your stuff.
And
But look
then-
at here though. They have all this. So I mean, I wonder if you can kind of build this out for a separate area.
Yeah.
Maybe even like a makeup station.
Even if
and
they don't do
counter
it,
space.
doing it after
Yeah.
is a great idea.
There's space to customize it however you want.
Oh, a decent sized closet. Not huge, not too small.
Anyway, we hope you enjoyed this fabulous tour of this Toll Brothers 55 and better community right here in Boerne, Texas, in Texas's hill country right outside San Antonio. For all that good stuff, you know who to call. Andy, Patrice, for all that good stuff to enjoy the next chapter of your life. We are your go-to team for all of Texas. So if you enjoyed this model, give us a thumbs up, share it with like-minded people, and as always, comment below, let us know your thoughts. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
Well, I'm Patrice.
Take care.